Welcome to my channel Dr. Munshi Nasser Skill Tone. In my channel, I try to highlight different skills, the skills that matter for your career. These mostly are data science, machine learning with economics and business, life skills, educational how-to, questions and many more. If you like my effort, do subscribe my channel. Hello my dear learners. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss about what are the main softwares that you must download in 2021 in order to do your data analysis and machine learning process. Usually I teach you, and many other YouTube channels you will find out that R and Python are the basic data analysis platform for data science and machine learning. But I know the programming language is not easy to learn and it takes time. But you can use these softwares to analyze your data with no time, and of course you can integrate your Python and R coding in these softwares as well. So let's get started. First software that I would like to show you is the Microsoft Power BI desktop. This platform is the best platform for data visualization. You do not need R or Python coding to know about how to visualize your data if you have the Microsoft Power BI desktop. So download this Microsoft Power BI desktop. This is the #1 data visualization software currently available in the market. Now, next we talk about IBM SPSS statistics analysis. My dear learners, surprisingly, SPSS is still considered as the #1 software for social science. And as we are talking about business and economics problem solution, SPSS is a very good platform to do that. Still, in SPSS 25 and the higher version 26 that is available at the moment, you can use SPSS and Python simultaneously in the SPSS interface, which I will show you in this tutorial playlist slowly and gradually. So SPSS, download this software for your data analysis, data science and machine learning project process. Now, next one is very interesting one, the Eview Stand. Okay, this is the econometric softwares. Usually in economics we tend to use this software for different economic modeling. However, this is a very good data analysis software, as in machine learning we use different type of modeling and machine learning algorithm which you can perform using this Eviews platform. I strongly recommend you to download Eview Stand and Eviews 11. Why? Because in Eview Stand you can easily integrate with Eviews to R coding, meaning that you can import and export R code into Eviews, and you can use Eviews integration platform to use R and Eviews at the same time, which of course I will demonstrate in my next tutorial series. And Eviews 11 is one of the best integration platform with the Python. With Eviews 11, you can integrate with Python platform and use Python data analysis software platform packages like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib work using this Eviews platform. Without knowing any coding, just drag and drop, you can easily perform your data analysis using Eviews 11 software. So download Eviews 10 and Eviews 11. Okay, next one is the STATA. Okay, here you can find the STATA 13. I have STATA latest version as well. So download the STATA. STATA is also a very easy software to do data analysis process. It is usually perform algorithm like regression, different type of logistic and linear regressions, non-linear, parametric, polynomial regressions, panel, time series analysis, what not. You can do whatever you want using STATA. And the most important thing, this new STATA 13, 14, 15, all these new platforms can integrate with R and Python code. You do not need to know Python and R code more detailed way. You can use STATA 3 to 4 coding lines that can integrate your STATA platform with R and Python. Okay. Now, another most important and interesting platform that you need to download for 2021 machine learning and data science analysis, and this platform is called the Orange. Orange is a Python based platform GUI software where you can drag and drop your data modeling software and anything that you need to perform any type of project under data science and machine learning work. Orange software, you can use the same thing what you can do in Python or R or any other complicated programming language. Orange can perform that particular machine learning algorithm very well and with effective and very strong analytical ability. So download Orange for your machine learning and data science analysis. And finally, I am introducing you one of the best machine learning GUI platform called the WEKA. WEKA is a platform introduced by the University of WEKA to New Zealand, and this platform can easily perform your machine learning and data science projects without knowing a single code in Python or R. So everything that you can do in Python and R, most of those things you can use WEKA and easily you can done with your data science and machine learning projects. And this WEKA platform you can also integrate with R and Python as well. I will demonstrate a data science machine learning tutorial series with WEKA, SPSS, Eviews, STATA, and how to integrate them with Python and R in my next several tutorials. So if you like my work and if you think it's a value addition to your career, please do subscribe for new upcoming tutorials and videos. For today, thank you. Bye bye.